Alright, the previous two examples are straight from your homework. This one is not. We didn't have many sums of cubes on there, and that's what this one is. So I wanted to give you one that wasn't on your homework. So U, that second letter is in cubes. This is called a sum of cubes, just like the previous ones, except for this one's a sum because of the plus sign in the middle. Okay, that's what we call it, the sum. And it is cubes because we got 8x cubed, which is a 2x. 2x, that's been cubed. And we have a 27y cubed, which is equivalent to a 3y if you cube it as a quantity. And what this means is that we can take the original problem and we can write it exactly as a sum of two things that are both cubes. Okay? And now it fits the model just like all of our other ones did. They fit some sort of model. This now fits the model of an a cubed plus a b cubed. I can tell what a is. A is the 2x because that's what's cubed, and b is the 3y because that's what's cubed. And I should put b equals 3y there. Okay, so that's our a and b. Now we have to memorize the model, and the model looks like this. Take your a and add it to your b, then take your a and square it, then subtract off a times b, and then add on your b value squared. And that will be the factorization for the original sum of two cubes. So for us, I just replace a with 2x and b with 3y. Notice the plus sign in between them. I take the a term. Now the a is 2x, and I got to square 2 and square x. So that's 4x squared. Next, the model says subtract. I have to multiply a times b. Don't put 2x times 3y. We take 2 times 3, which is 6, and x times y, which we write xy. The model next says plus, and we take the b value, which is 3y, and we have to take it and we have to square it, and that gives us a 9 and a y squared. So there's our third term. And believe it or not, that's all there is to it. You don't have to do any more work. You're completely done. Now, I'll mention it in class, but I'll just say something really quick. This is a quadratic trinomial. Notice the 2 up here makes it quadratic. 3 terms means it's a trinomial. And we might try to factor that and factor this whole polynomial even further, but this second factor is always going to be prime. So there's no sense wasting our time, since that's always going to be just a prime factor and we can't do anything with it. And so that is the third special factorization.